YouTube? CFX here, back with another video. In this video, I'm going to do a live markup video. So you guys are going to see me go through all my currencies that I usually trade. And in this video, I actually might go over like regular currency pairs in this video. So I haven't traded them in a while, only because, you know, I've been trying to learn NAS, gold, and US 30 more. But I might go over them in this video, honestly. Kind of don't like trading them, but I will for you guys. So let's go ahead and get straight into NAS. I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna clear everything. I'm gonna clear all of my markups that I had, and then I'm gonna start brand new. So what I already see right now is a reversal. So I'm starting to see a trend. I have a point A to point B now. So now, couple things that I'm looking for. I see that this was a structure level right here. This was a structure level right here. And it has now broken that level. So now what I'm waiting to see, couple things that I'm looking for. So we got this move down. We got this. So what I'm waiting to see is that this come back, retest, so it can shoot up. And then I'm also waiting for my 50 MA to cross above my 200. So once my 50 MA cross above my 200, I'm taking this trade. And once I get the retest, also, I think I want to see a little bit divergence. So I want to see some divergence, but I'm gonna set an alert at this level right here. Let me set an alert. We'll do once per bar close. And look for buy. That simple, guys. It's that simple, for real. Well, no, it's not that simple. It is not that simple. It took some time to learn this. It took some time to learn this. But also, what I would like to see, I would like to see a rejection off of maybe this level. If it comes up this high, if it comes up this high. Now, I would like to see a rejection off that level. And then I may trade zone to zone. I might sell this back down to this zone, get that retest, boom. Or it could possibly reject off of this level right here. So this is off the 4 hour. So I'm gonna see what this second candle looks like. Let's see what the day. Look at our daily chart. So on our daily, guys, look at that. Look at that. All I do, I started on a 4 hour, but it lined up perfectly with our daily chart as well. It's lining up perfectly with our daily chart. Also, this is a big level because this is where sellers took control at. So it's possible that it could reject off of this level right here, off of this level of resistance before it goes all the way up here. So if it rejects off of this, then we're more than likely going to get that retest. So then we can buy this market back up. And that would be perfect. Let's look at the 1 hour. So going off of our candles right now, we are starting to get a seller's momentum. Even though we have this candle right here, this could be a minor pullback. We are kind of getting seller's momentum. So we got the 50 MA to cross on our 1 hour chart. Let's read deeper into this. All right, so on our 30-minute chart, it's rejecting off of our 50 MA, which is perfect. It's rejecting off of our 50 MA. And let's see. This trade may be good to take right now. I mean, I like I would like to see what I want to on a 4-hour chart because, you know, it's just what I like trading. But looking at this, I have divergence. I got the rejection off the 50 MA. I got a trend. I even got a minor trend right here. Let's see where this second candlestick close. I'm gonna see how that closes, and then I may hop in this for just 30 minutes. I'm not gonna, I say about an hour or 3, maybe about an hour or 3. I may scalp this trade a little bit, only up to this zone right here though. Either up to this previous high or up to this zone. I may scalp that. So we're gonna keep that on the bucket list. But that's pretty much how I trade. And I break all of this down in the course on Capital Powerhouse of how I analyze my charts, why I analyze it the way that I do, and things like that. So now let's move on to gold. So I have a structure level right here. I'll spread this out with here. So got a structure level demand zone right here. Also, that's where liquidity is in the market. I don't necessarily have a trend yet. It's in consolidation, so that's not what I want to see. It's pretty close to my 200 as well. So I'm not going to trade that. It's too close to my 200. It's not really a setup right now. Nas have a great setup though. I want to see one more thing with Nas. I want to see one more thing. I don't really have a Fibonacci set up because it's like I haven't really done anything. But if I was just to take this Fibonacci right here from this swing low to this swing high, it has come to the 70, rejected. It's 8 o'clock currently. I think I'm going to enter this trade for Nas very quickly. I'm going to enter this trade. I'm going to test this out right here. So I'm going to enter right here where the market is right now. Let's see. I'm going to hit it up here. So I'm going to enter this trade real quick and then I'm going to be right back with you guys. All right, we are back. I just entered the trade and we did get a little bit of a pullback. I entered a little bit late because I have just switched to MetaTrader 5 and for some reason, I guess it didn't save my account on there, so I had to re-log back in on MetaTrader 5. But it's maybe because my phone had, like I discussed earlier, went through a couple issues or whatever. But we are in profit right now. We're in good profits on Nas. So I set my stop loss right outside of the 50 EMA. You know, tight stop loss, 2-to-1 ratio. And I honestly could have put this up a little bit more for my TP, but it's fine. I'm going to keep it at that. So we got divergence. We got it bouncing out to 50. And we got like a slight pullback. It's not the pullback that I wanted, but everything else is lining up. So why not take this trade? Plus, it's a little bit distance from our 200. So this is a great confirmation. We got every other confirmation for this trade. Let's look at SPS. I don't really trade SPS like that anymore either, but I know it sets up just like Nas. If you guys do not know, SPS does move just like Nas. Like, look at these two charts. They look just alike. It's crazy. But I'm not going to take a trade on SPS because I'm already in on Nas. Nas have a better payout. Just being straight up honest. But I could take a trade on this if I wanted to. I just want to see what US 30 looks like. Yeah, about look like the same as NOS and SPX, but it has really broken structure. So it has now broken these lower highs, and it's about to create a new high. So for me to enter in on US 30, I would have to see a retracement back down to this structure level, or our past supply zone. I have to see a retracement back down. We got the uptrend. We about to have our 50 MA cross. All right, 200. Great setup, honestly. It's a great setup. Let's look at the daily. So yeah, that's exactly what I want to see. That is exactly what I want to see. So if we get that retracement back down, then that would be a great trade to enter into. I'm gonna keep an eye on that. Let's see. Hey, let me trade. Let me change NOS to active. Let me erase all my setups. So German 30 is at a structure level or at a supply level. So we're gonna see how this market reacts at this level. Right now it is in a buyer's momentum, but unless it breaks this zone, retraces back. You guys know what I'm looking for. You guys know what I'm looking for. Same thing. I'm looking for the same thing, man. Everything is having a great setup right now. So I'm gonna add a lot of stuff to the watch list. Let's look at UK 100. I'm not gonna take too many trades this week. I want to practice on scaling. So UK looks very, very nice. UK looks nice. So we just broke this right here. All right, so we just broke that. You know what I'm looking for. The retracement. I'm looking for the retracement, man. And if I can get some divergence, that'll be great. But it's not nearly close yet, so we're just gonna add that to the watch. I'm gonna set up an alert as well. Set up an alert. I want it to come back down to here. And the reason I don't get in immediately, like, that's why I say look for buy. Because just because I set that up doesn't mean that the market is going to just stop at that level and then bounce back up. No, I want to read how my candlesticks are going to react once it get back down to this level. And if they react like how I want them to, well, then great. We have a trade. I'm going to set up a zone right here as well. So if it breaks this, then I know it has a broken structure, which it kind of already has. We also, I want to set this up. But we kind of have a nice little setup right here. Yeah. All right, so yeah, this is what I want to see. This is what I want to see. If I could get this breakthrough, come back, retest. Well, that's what I want to see. That is what I want to see. That'd be great. That would be great. Trading view just froze a little bit. It's trying to hold your boy back, man. Why they trying to hold me back, bro? Let me get back to these charts. save my stuff and let me get back to these charts. I also want to check on Nas, because Nas move fast. Nas move a little bit fast. And I don't take trades on Sundays at all. But that was too good of a setup to pass up. That was a good setup. What time is it? Alright. So I'm getting some weird candles now. But still confident in this trade. Still confident. We are still in profit. So let's see. Nothing there. Now, this is a great setup for a sale. We got the rejection off of this level right here. So we got the rejection. It's great. We now got a break of structure below the support, and it has also broken a trend. So it has broken a support and it has broken a trend now. And I'm looking for the retest of either the trend line or this support level. So I'm looking for one of those. Got some pretty decent setups tonight, guys. forgot to show you guys that setup. I think I showed you guys this trade. I cannot remember, but I believe, yeah, I cannot remember I showed you guys that trade, but we took profit on it. We missed this trade opportunity. Yeah, we missed this trade opportunity. We got the break, retest. Now it's selling back down to a low. Yeah, we missed that. Let's see. If it retraces back up to my fib, and 50 EMA should be around that area by that time. So I'm gonna make this yellow. See if we can catch that. I think those gonna be all of my trade setups for the week though. I think I want those to be my trade setups of the week. I'm gonna add this to the watch list just in case. We're gonna see how these candles look in the morning. GBPAD is a good setup right now. I'm gonna have to see on this one. I mean, we got some heavy divergence here. We got even heavier divergence here. It's rejecting out of this zone. Not getting the candlesticks that I'm looking for yet though. And I don't want to enter prematurely, but everything is lining up. I may go ahead and trigger this trade. I might go ahead and trigger this. Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and trigger this trade right here. First, let's look at everything else. Let's look at the 1 hour. Okay. 1 hour looking pretty decent. So here we have some divergence. But I'm gonna wait till I get a confirmation candle on this one, on GBPAD. I'm gonna wait for a confirmation candle before I enter that trade. This would have been a great trade right here. Came to this structure level. Yeah, this was a great trade. It broke, got the retest, sold all the way back down. It's probably gonna sell down more. It's at another level right here. I'm not gonna enter it though, but nice trade. Definitely a nice trade. I think I want to see how this one play out. I'm gonna watch how that one play out. Don't like those candles. Don't like those candles either. Too choppy. Don't like those candles. A little choppy. This has already made its move. It already happened. Crazy how everything lines up. It's just crazy. What I say it was like, it's almost like magic. It's almost like magic, man. That's crazy. Broke, retest, boom, sell back down. Right now, I'm just looking at the charts. I'm not really looking for a trade setup anymore. I just want to see how everything moved. Okay, so here, the retest already happened. I like catching stuff on the first retest, and that would have been a amazing a trade, like straight to TP. That's crazy. I want to mark that up. Like, I know what I'm looking at already, but I want to mark that up as an example trade. I'm gonna start all the way back here. No, I'm not. And to be even more precise, boom. I don't know why I looked at y'all and did that. I really don't know why I looked at y'all and did that. But yeah, this is just an example trade. Nice trade. No, it's not clear to make out a trend line, but it's in the uptrend. We know it's in the uptrend just by looking at the candles. Let's see if we have some divergence. Yes, we got heavy divergence. We may be able to enter this trade. Maybe. All right, let's wait for a rejection candle, and then we're going to enter GBP CHL. I don't really like those candles. I'm not currently in this trade. Oh, I remember what trade this was. Yeah. I entered on this and I was out of profit for like 2 days. And then it shot up and I took profit. I'm glad I did because I see now that this thing slowed down. That was like weeks ago though. That was a couple weeks ago. Yeah. Well, that was about the 23rd. Yeah, that was a while ago. I don't know why I spreaded it out this far. But this could be a good trade. Only thing is, I don't know what level of retest I'm looking at. Because it broke this level. So we got an uptrend. Boom. We've acknowledged that. It broke this level. So this is what I'm gonna do. If it retests this level, because it gotta fill in back, it gotta fill back in the area anyway. It gotta come back and fill all this in. Well, it don't got to, but sometimes it does. Sometimes it does. So, watch list. Perfect. I wonder if I missed it though. I think I missed it. Let's see what I want to look for. I don't know what area I want this to retest. It's not a clear trade for me, so I'm not gonna bother that. NZD Bro. All right, so I think that's all I want to look at for the week. I think that's all I want to look at for the week. So we're still in Nas. Like it's fluctuating in and out of profit. But let's go to, I'm gonna keep it on my watch list because I know what trades I want to watch for this week. I'm just watch all these, but yeah, there was a live markup session. Some of them I marked up, some kind of did it. I mean, I marked these up. Yeah, I marked them up. I know what I'm looking for in each one of them in my own mind. So we're gonna see how these play out. I'm gonna let Nas run his course while I sleep. And I'm gonna see you guys later on this week once these trades play out and if I hop in any of them. So I'm gonna see y'all then, man. I'm out. Thank you guys for watching.